होटल एंड रेस्टोरेंट एसोसिएशन ऑफ नॉर्दर्न इंडिया हिरानी ने 5 और 6 अगस्त 2024 को दिल्ली में आयोजित होने वाले 2 दिवसीय तीसरे सम्मेलन का सफलतापूर्वक समापन किया। सम्मेलन के दूसरे दिन की शुरुआत सुबह 11 बजे एक उद्घाटन सत्र के साथ हुई, जिसके बाद आकर्षक चर्चाओं और प्रस्तुतियों की एक श्रृंखला आयोजित हुई। उत्तर प्रदेश इको टूरिज्म बोर्ड के प्रतिनिधि श्री विवेक जैन के भाषण में मुख्य रूप से आतिथ्य और पर्यटन में स्थिरता पर ध्यान केंद्रित किया गया। सम्मानित पैनलिस्टों में HRNI और UPHRA में सस्टेनेबल टूरिज्म कमेटी की अध्यक्ष सुश्री अंकिता जायसवाल, रमाडा प्लाजा और रमाडा एनकोर लखनऊ की निदेशक सुश्री अवनी त्रिपाठी, अहाना कॉर्बेट वाइल्डनेस की निर्देशक और सुश्री आकांक्षा सिंह रेडिसन होटल ग्रुप में ग्लोबल सस्टेनेबिलिटी मैनेजर भी शामिल थीं।
And we have almost 120 operational hotels and 65 in process. We are one of the largest chain across the world with 1,000 hotels. It was very nice. People have really understood what we wanted to say, the new technology which is like artificial intelligence and machine learning, how it can help hotels, their operations, their cost, how it can make better experience for the customers, so that customers they repeat customers by using this particular AI and ML technology going forward. So it was a good topic. People understood it. People, they wanted to implement, and in next 7 to 8 years time, it will be like completely in all of it. AI is a very good tool. AI is helping any company, not only hotels, any company, to run the data analysis in a quicker way that a human cannot do, right? Like imagine if you have to work on 20 Excel file and work on some kind of compilation, AI will automatically do it. And AI is not dangerous. AI is good. AI is good for because you understand customer prior, like talking about a hotel industry, you understand customer digital touch points, where he is trying to find out the information, which hotel to go, what kind of rates I'll get, will hotel give me a good service or not. You come to know prior to the customer has made any decision.
I am Vivek Jain, representative of UP Ecotourism Development Board. The objective of this program was towards sustainable ecotourism development. My personal objective and the objective of the department is to promote ecotourism, call for operators, agencies who are interested in development of ecotourism destination. We intend to partner them in whatsoever manner possible. We are looking forward to innovative financing. We are looking forward to project structuring in the way that is beneficial to both the department and the agency appointed. We at Ecotourism Development Board are looking forward for opportunities wherein we can help the tour operators, the service providers, hoteliers, all the stakeholders in the best way possible. We call them to come to us to discuss. We are here to resolve the issues, challenges faced by them.
I was here as a panelist for AI and its future in hospitality and tourism industry. It was a very interactive session. I had a chance to share the podium with Mr. Khattar and many other dignitaries who are excelling in AI and IoT. And I would like to thank Hirani Group for having me here along with such a well-organized event. And I would like to congratulate all the team members, Hirani, Renu for this great opportunity and event that they've organized. Looking forward to such events. Thank you so much. And key takeaway from being an IoT and AI expert is that in hospitality and tourism, IoT is the next big thing, AI is the next big thing. So let's start implementing these systems, this technology into our sector with a sustainable mindset. Thank you.
Program. Before I talk about today's program, I like to give my introduction. I'm Devendra Kumar, President of Indian Culinary Forum and Vice President Production at the Meridian New Delhi. and it is truly my privilege to be part of this convention. This is the second day of HR and AI, and I think it's a great initiative. As usual, they do a great job, and I can see lovely topic of discussion being done because ours is the third session today of the second day, where we'll be discussing old is gold, stories, success stories of legendary restaurant in India, NCR. So I think it's a great learning, it's a great platform to do networking, एक दूसरे से मिलना, ताल्लुकात बढ़ाना, सीखना तो है ही। आप इट्स अ ग्रेट लर्निंग कि आप सीख के जाओगे अच्छे अच्छे टॉपिक्स में, और आई थिंक kudos to HRAI and AI for putting up such a big event, and I think I can see a great participation.
Articulation Pandar Road and Gurugram. Asal program बहुत ज़्यादा helpful है for the youth and for all the hotel restaurants, and जो भी रेस्टोरेंट में करते हैं, काम करते हैं और जो भी जॉब करते हैं, उनके लिए एक लर्निंग है कि एक सेशन ऐसा है जिसमें आप सीख सकते हैं कैसे आप आगे बढ़ सकते हैं, कैसे आप काम कर सकते हैं, कैसे आप खुद का रेस्टोरेंट खोल सकते हैं, होटल खोल सकते हैं।
Hi, my name is Saban Malhotra. I'm a partner in the Embassy Restaurant Workplace, and our company is about 74 years old. And we're here as a speaker at the HRANI event today to discuss about the legendary brand. HRANI is a very good organization, helps restaurants and hotels across India to and solves our problems. So when you open a restaurant, I would definitely recommend that you become a member of HRANI, and there's a lot to learn from the programs that they are offering right now. Like all the speakers speaking about different things, the chefs also over here. So you'll get definitely a good insight about